In this video segment, we're going to take a look at how you can install a default printer for your Windows 7 computer. To start the process off, we'll go ahead and click on, in the bottom left-hand corner, the Start button, and you can type in the name of the print server. Now, obviously, in order to do that, you need to know the name of that server, and so I'm located at the district office in this case, but if you're at a secondary school, you'll type in //ESCPRT03. If you're at an elementary, you'll type in that same thing and put a 04 instead of the 03 for elementary buildings. So once I've typed that in, I'm going to press enter on my keyboard, and up will come a list of all the printers that I can choose from. Now, the name of my printer is a curriculum printer at the ESC, so I'm just going to click on one of these and type in an E so it'll jump to the E's. And I can scroll down. I already know the name of the printer, the number that it is, but you can notice as I move my mouse over any one of these individual printers, it tells me where it's located. So here's a media printer, here's one I'm purchasing, and here I see the one on the curriculum side. And so if you're not quite sure the name of the printer, you can check with your media specialist or your tech support person, and they'll let you know the name when you see it, because you will see hundreds of printers in this list. But once you find the one you need, all you have to do is double click on it, and it'll probably take maybe 15 to 30 seconds for it to locate the driver for that printer and then do the installation on it. But once it's gone through that process, you'll notice now it's installing it. You'll be ready to print to that printer. And so it's all done, and you'll know that because you'll have a new window that comes up, and it tells you that this printer is installed and ready to go. And if you want to check to see that it is the default, you can go up here to the printer menu, and you'll notice now that that printer, in my case, the IR3320_003, which is the curriculum printer, is now my default printer. So I'm going to go ahead and close this window off. I'll close all these windows actually. And if I want to just verify that that printer is really truly set up, or take a look at other printers that are set up on my Windows 7 computer, again, I go back to that Start button in the bottom left corner, and this time, instead of using the search box, I'm going to go to my menu here and choose Devices and Printers and select that. And once that window opens up, it'll bring me a list of all the printers that I have set up on my Windows 7 computer. And here you'll see the curriculum printer that I have set up. It has a green check next to it, letting me know that it is the default. Anytime I go to print a Word document or a PowerPoint presentation, it'll automatically print to that printer. If you want to change that default to a different printer, for example, if I want to make this TM470 the default printer, 4700 rather, I can just right click on that and choose Set as a Default, and the green check will move to that printer. Or I can move it back to my curriculum printer as well and set that as a default printer. So it's very easy to do. To get it at this screen, again, just click on the Start button, choose Devices and Printers, and you will see all the printers that you have set up. Good luck.